and be quiet. Hi, good day. Could I speak to the chef, please?
This call is being recorded.
Okay.
This call is no longer being recorded.
Hello?
Hi, could I speak to the chef, please?
Yes. One moment.
Sure.
I have to walk to him, so it take a while.
Okay, I'll wait.
You are calling from Paramaribo?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'll wait, it's fine.
Okay. Hello?
Hi.
No. Not you. I'm call the chef. I call the chef. I have to walk to them. Okay. One moment, please.
Sure.
So you know our restaurant?
Yes.
Okay.
Good food.
You have been in... Yes, you have been in Suriname before?
Pardon me?
You have been in Suriname before?
If I've been there before, I'm trying to get there. So I want to speak to the chef about something there.
Okay. One moment, please.
Sure.
Yes. I have a call from you from abroad. So somebody call you that you want to talk with the chef. Okay, ma'am. Please, you have the chef now.
Okay.
Okay. Hello?
Hi, good day. Is this a chef?
Yes.
Hi, good afternoon. This is the young lady that dined at you guys on Saturday with a large,
Yes.
with her family and stuff. The same person?
Oh, yes, that's what you call me.
Pardon me?
Are you in Suriname? Are you in Suriname?
I'm calling concerning the bill.
Yes. I was, it's so it because mistake on the bill.
You made a mistake on my bill. What was the mistake you made on the bill?
The price is too much.
You charged me too much. What was supposed to be my bill? You charged me 24,000 SRD and made me wait 2 hours. And I was a patron there the first time, and I don't appreciate that at all. So what was supposed to be the real bill?
Yes, I know. I'm really sorry about it. But your money is here. You can go, collect it.
Collect all the money, 24,000? Including the US?
Don't you pay too much?
What is the amount of money I would have to collect? I would like to have back my US and the balance as well.
Something like 8,000.
No. The bill that you gave me, you added zeros on that bill and you charge me 24,000 SRD. I gave you 140 US. You made me go to Cambio 5 times to change this money. And now I'm calling you and asking you, I need to get back my money, please. And I want to know what is the amount you're talking about. What is the amount of the bill? We ordered 5 chicken, 1 shrimp, 2 beef burgers, and 2 serving of wings, and 4 beers, and I think 6 fruit punches.
5 beers, that's called
5 beers. This is still not 24,000. So I want to know how much. I beg your pardon?
I tell you. Yeah, no, I tell you. You paid too much, 8,000, something like that.
No. Sir, I'm calling you as a courtesy, you know. I'm being very, very nice. I was very nice to you guys. I tipped your entire staff. You have a beautiful restaurant, but this is extremely wrong. So I want you to give me an exact figure of what my bill was. There is no way in heaven that it could be $18,000 for that stuff. Plus I gave you 140 US. So I need you to tell me what was my bill. I'm not hanging up the phone, and I'm not far away from you. I'm being very pleasant. You understand what I'm saying to you?
Yes, I do.
So I need you to get this bill sorted now. I want to know what is my bill for everything that I ate and drink there.
And itemize everything.
Itemize it dollar for me in SRD, please.
Hold on.
Sure.
The total amount was 50,000?
Sir, $15,000 for what? You gave, I have the bill here, you know. You placed the juices at 11,000. What was the most expensive thing that I bought?
Hello?
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 I'm still here, sir.
Hello?
Don't do that, sir. You're hanging up, you know.
Don't hang up this phone, you know.